Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this bomb look, this eyeshadow look that I love so much. I already done my skin work, my foundation, my concealer and my brows. So I'm going to go in with a transition shade from my Hard Candy palette. In the shade Surrender, I'm just going to use that for my crease area and to form a canvas for my eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying. I'm so sorry that you see my lips moving and you don't hear anything aside this voiceover. I don't know whatever happened to my audio. At some point it just became so noisy. I wasn't hearing myself anymore when I listened to it. I don't know what happened to my microphone or my phone, whatever. I didn't have my stand, no light. I wasn't even in my house when I made this video, so it was just a bit, I had to make do with what I had with me. I had my some of my makeup stuff in the car, so I just got them, and my microphone was there. Then I used my phone as usual. So the lighting is quite poor. This was in the bathroom, there was no extra lights to use and all that. So yeah, I'm trying to create the transition shade. If this is your first time dropping by my channel, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for dropping by, for stopping by. Thank you for checking us out. My name is Queen and I post makeup videos on Mondays and hair videos on Fridays. These days have been quite tough. I've been a little bit inconsistent. I didn't post last week Monday actually, so I'm going to be posting this for you guys today, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to leave a comment down below, and to share to anyone you think might need it or might like this video. And for all my returning subscribers, you guys are the GOAT. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for telling people about us, about me and my channel, and thank you for your continuous encouragement and support. God bless you all. So I use that same transition shade for underneath my eyes, just below my waterline, like underneath there, to catch any fallout and to just make that place to pop for a bit, not to leave my bare skin bare. And then I'm going in with this other shade. It's yeah, naughty. It has is shimmery, has little soft glitters in it. So I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my eyelid to fill in the space. Of course, leaving my tear duct area for something a bit more lighter to pop this out. It's a very short video. It's very beginner friendly. Also, you're just using basically one shade, because even the transition shade I used is almost the same thing as this shade I'm using for the whole of my lid. So it can work for you if you're just learning how to apply eyeshadow. This works just fine. You only need 2 brushes, a blending brush and a flat brush for application, and eyeshadow brush. So once you're able to apply your transition shade correctly in your crease area and the areas they're supposed to be, all you need to do next is just to pack on that color to your eyelid. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use this light shade right here called In the Nude for my tear duct area, and that will just help to brighten my tear duct area for a bit. So it's a matte shade. It doesn't have any shimmers. I just felt like, since you know more than 50% of my eyelid is covered in shimmers, I'd rather use a matte shade for my tear duct area. And this is my Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner I'm using for my my waterline to line my eyes. This will help to pop the size of my eye and the color I used, the shade I used. Then this is my IMethod EyeLiner Stamp. I have a video on this. I'm going to link it at the end of this video and in the description box. I did a collaboration with IMethod Beauty last week. I posted the video, and yeah, you just draw your winged liner in a matter of seconds. All you need to do is just to open that, stamp it correctly, and then use your eyeliner pencil that comes with it to trace that. You can find them on Amazon. Just type IMethod Beauty and all their products will pop up. They have eyeliner stamps, eyebrow stamps, and eyelashes, a lot of other very nice products. So you can check them out on Amazon, and they can also ship to you. So I just use that to create my winged liner. There's this thing about winged liner I always like. I don't know about you, but I feel when it's not too excessive, when it's not too long, it works fine for any kind of look at all. Then I'm using my lashes from Eunice Eyelashes that I got from the giveaway last year from Al J. Shout out to Al J, that I won with some other products like my contour palette and the rest. And then I'm using this nude lipstick. I don't even know the name. There's no name on the body anymore, so I'm just using that, and I use my brush to blend that in. Then I'm also using this blush I got from Ulta Beauty. It's from Essence. Just use it. Is in what's the name of that color? Peach or something. Just use it on my chin area, on my cheeks, the high point of my cheeks, my cheekbones. And then I use my highlighter for my nose and the top of my lips, and where my my eyebrow bones are, just to pop that a bit. Then I'll use my bronzer, my powder, to just finish up this look underneath my eyes and all the other parts of my face, to blend properly with a brush. And that will be all before I spray my face. So I'm going to be showing you guys a video on my eyebrow routine real soon. You guys should stay tuned. So guys, the lighting in the room is not so good, so I decided to come outside and show you what the final look is.